In today's fast-paced world, convenience and performance in the kitchen aren't just luxuries, they're necessities. And when it comes to high-performance blending, this Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro Plus Personal Single Serve stands out as a true game-changer. Built with advanced BlendSense technology, a powerful 1800 peak watt motor, and both large and personal blending capabilities, this smart kitchen tool takes the guesswork out of blending while elevating your culinary game to pro level. One of the most frustrating parts of traditional blending is inconsistency, especially when switching between different types of recipes. Whether you're trying to whip up a smooth protein shake, creamy soup, frozen cocktail, or chunky salsa, typical blenders either overprocess or leave lumps. The Ninja Detect Pro solves this with its intelligent BlendSense technology, which automatically senses the ingredients you've added, then adjusts speed, time, and power for a flawless result every time. This means perfectly smooth blends without needing to manually tweak settings or guess what speed works best. Backing this intelligent system is a high-torque 1800 watt motor, which delivers exceptional power to crush ice, pulverize frozen fruits, and handle even the densest nut butters with ease. You won't find it hesitating or overheating under pressure. It's engineered to perform, no matter what you throw into it. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or just making a quick smoothie on the go, this motor ensures everything runs smoothly and efficiently. The Ninja Detect Pro doesn't just rely on automation. It gives you complete flexibility. Thanks to the variable speed dial, users can enjoy full manual control when using the 72 ounces full-sized pitcher. From delicate stirring to high-speed crushing, you can fine-tune every blend exactly the way you want it. And for times when you need a hands-off experience, one-touch preset programs let you blend, chop, or crush at the tap of a button, perfect for salsas, dips, frozen drinks, and much more. Speaking of versatility, the blender comes with a 72 ounces total crushing and chopping pitcher, ideal for making large batches of smoothies, soups, or drinks for family or guests. But it also includes two 24 ounces single-serve cups with spout lids, allowing for easy on-the-go blending. Just pop the ingredients into the cup, blend, snap on the lid, and head out the door. This dual-purpose design makes it an excellent choice for both individual use and family-sized blending needs. Where this blender truly shines is in its attention to detail and usability. The hybrid edge blade assembly is specifically designed for total crushing, ensuring your ice turns to snow in seconds and even the toughest veggies are finely chopped. It's not just powerful, it's precise. Additionally, the liquid detect sensor is a clever addition that alerts you when more liquid is needed in single-serve mode, helping you avoid underblending and preserving the motor's performance. Cleanup is a breeze too. Every component, from the pitcher to the single-serve cups and blade assemblies, is BPA-free and top-rack dishwasher safe, so there's no need to worry about laborious hand-washing. It's the kind of ease that turns a once-occasional appliance into a daily essential. Design-wise, the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro is surprisingly compact for its capability. Its sleek black finish fits easily into modern kitchen decor, and it won't take up excessive counter space. The intuitive dial display keeps you informed about what mode you're in, offering a user-friendly interface even for those new to high-powered blenders. And thanks to noise-reducing motor housing, it blends at a volume that's far more manageable than many other heavy-duty models on the market. But who exactly is this blender for? In short, everyone who's serious about results. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking to streamline your post-workout nutrition, a busy parent needing quick meal prep solutions, a home chef exploring gourmet recipes, or someone who just loves a perfect frozen margarita, this blender fits your lifestyle. It's ideal for health-conscious users, meal preppers, smoothie lovers, and those looking to upgrade their current blender to something smarter, stronger, and more capable. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a highly intelligent tool that's been thoughtfully engineered to simplify your life while elevating your output. The blend of AI-powered technology with brute motor strength creates a unique user experience that's unlike anything you've tried before. There's no need to stand over it, press multiple buttons, or hope it gets it right. It just works, and it works brilliantly. So, is the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro worth the investment? Absolutely. From its performance to its ease of use, From its thoughtful features to its sleek design, it's built to impress and, more importantly, built to last. It removes all the friction from the blending process, giving you perfect textures, flavors, and results every single time. Whether you're blending up a protein-packed breakfast, prepping homemade baby food, or hosting friends for frozen drinks, this blender will quickly become your go-to kitchen companion. Don't wait until your old blender fails you again. Upgrade to the Ninja Detect Power Blender Pro and experience what true blending intelligence feels like. With unmatched power, automated precision, and versatile design, it's the smartest kitchen decision you'll make this year. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.